Hi there, it's Save with Crypto. I just want to start off with a video that I started last night and then I didn't really finish it and then things changed. But this is just to show you what I was thinking around about this time. So it was coming up to midnight last night. So that would have been Tuesday, the 11th of April, just to show you how I was managing the $200 challenge trade. So I'll just show you that now. Hi there, Save with Crypto. Okay, so talking a little bit quiet because it's a little bit late and everyone's asleep here. But that worked out pretty good earlier on because we had this kind of 25% off the table thing set up at 34.15, I think it was. So this wick up here brilliantly sold 25% of the position. And then we're back down here now. So it's, I don't know, I'm in France, so it's just come up to midnight. So I guess it's 11 p.m. in UK, which is 10 p.m. UTC. So we've got a little bit to go before the end of the day as far as trading is concerned. But nevertheless, I think I'm going to set an order down here at, actually, let's say 29,744. 29,744. And that's with the remainder of the balance we've got. Okay, so we're going to set that long there. Okay. So that long is now down there. So if we get a pullback like that tonight, that'd be good. That'd be great. Anyway, so that was last night, and of course this morning, I did my typical bloody thing of like thinking, oh, Bitcoin's below 30 grand. Maybe I'll like scrap the limit order I've got and just do a market buy, which was what I did at 29,985. And if I'd have waited, which I didn't, if I'd have waited, I'd have actually got the entry at about midday today. And I would have got a averagely lower entry point, but it's still not bad. It's like 28,889, so that's okay. And what I did then was I moved up the stop loss a little bit, so it's in profit now. And all this was documented in the Telegram group, which is savewithcrypto.org/TG. You can get there. It's all free. You don't have to use my affiliate link, but I would love it if you did for ByBit, which is savewithcrypto.org/ByBit. Now, what we're looking at now is, to me, let's just go to Trading View. Go to the Bitcoin. To me, this is like a really absolutely bloody obvious bull flag. And there are a few things that are making me think this is definitely going to break out to the upside. One of them being, this is on the 2-hour time frame, is this cross here from WaveEdge. If you don't know what WaveEdge is, it's a indicator made by Thomas from Team Underground. If you want to know more about that, go to savewithcrypto.org/WaveEdge and you'll find out about that. It's not a free indicator, but it's pretty cool. I mean, if you look back at these green crosses that we've had on the 2-hour time frame, there was one here where obviously it went up a little bit, but ultimately went up massively, obviously. And this one here where it kind of went up big, so I think this is like a reasonable sort of indication. This one here was amazing. A reasonable indication that things could go very positive very, very soon. Now, the other thing to point out is the Ethereum Shanghai and Capella, or the Chapella as they're calling it, upgrade, which is going to happen in like 1 hour 37 minutes. Now, I think everybody is assuming that this is going to have a detrimental effect on Ethereum. And I'm not sure, actually, because if you look at Ethereum here, the funding rate, that's normally 0.01, okay? So at the moment it's 0.0027. So it's very, very small, which, implies to me it's probably going to go negative at some point, or it probably has been negative at some point, which means that most people are going short. So most people are expecting the price to go down. I mean, I'm just in a tiny little position here that I went in at a rubbish entry. I'm going to try and sort of DCA my entry down a little bit. So, I hopefully in the next hour or so, I can get sort of like lower entries for Ethereum there. It's not going to be a big position because I haven't got much Ethereum to play with in this account. But I'm going to try and long Ethereum from here because I think it will go up. And if I'm wrong, sorry about that. But, do your own research, and none of this is financial advice. But for now, I don't know. This to me is looking very, very bullish. So I think the market is going to do something quite interesting tonight. So that's what I'm looking out for. Anyway, so I wish I'd thought about the Ethereum one a bit earlier, really, because I should have, bought it down here at like 1850 or whatever, But for now, I've set a few limit orders, at lower prices, and hopefully I'll, catch a bit of the movement upwards. But as far as the actual $200 challenge account goes, this is cool as well because if Ethereum pumps, it's highly likely that Bitcoin's going to go up as well. The price is slightly under $30,000, and we're still $206 in profit, and we've already taken 83, so that puts the overall balance at, I guess it's 800 and something. Oh, it's actually pretty much dead on $800, which is really cool because that's like a 4x since January. But obviously since I did my major F up in March, I lost a big chunk of it. We were back to $200. So since the beginning of March, which was March the 9th it was, so March to April, just over a month, I've managed to 4x that money. So it's all looking quite good, really. Yeah, again, that's what you got to think about. You got to think about the gains over the month, not necessarily the ride along the way. Because some days you get big gains, some days you get losses, and overall you just want the money to increase. And literally, if you can make a couple of percent every few days, you can rapidly increase the amount of money you've got very easily. If you want to do that, just go over to savewith.crypto.org/ByBit, and then you'll get to my affiliate link, and you can get up to 30,000 USDT for free there. And I will say, if you're actually trading with that free bonus and you're actually massively in profit now, I'd probably take the profit now, because you can keep that and you can withdraw it and you can spend it on whatever you want, But the bonus you get, that just remains as a bonus. I mean, don't worry about it because it will get eaten up over time with fees and losses, that kind of thing. So it's not like you ever lose it, it's just part of the money that you would have traded with anyway. So it's well worth getting the bonus. Anyway, I better finish this because I need to upload this before the Shanghai upgrade kicks in, really. But yeah, the price of Bitcoin's almost back at 30,000 again. And Ethereum is, looks like it's going up actually, so that's all good. Okay, so if you like this kind of stuff, then please do give the video a like, leave a nice comment, make sure you're subscribed, and above all, tell your friends.